Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Soldadura Aluminio is probably one of the most important skills for any metalworker or DIY enthusiast, offering a wide range of applications from repairing valuable car parts to crafting intricate metal sculptures. Choosing the right equipment and mastering the technique can significantly impact the quality, durability, and overall success of your projects, ensuring clean, strong, and long-lasting welds that meet the highest standards of precision and functionality. This video will guide you through the process, helping you select the best tools and techniques for your specific needs. Number 5. Blue Demon BDTP Brazing Rod. This innovative brazing rod offers superior performance and versatility. It's designed for ease of use, even for beginners. Get 3 applications in one with this amazing rod. It's perfect for various metalworking tasks. It's incredibly easy to use, all you need is a propane torch. No special skills or equipment are required. It boasts strength exceeding aluminum and hardness surpassing mild steel, ensuring long-lasting results. Plus, it offers excellent corrosion resistance. No flux is needed, simplifying the process and saving you time and effort. It's ideal for brazing aluminum and zinc-based metals. Each tube contains approximately 22 sticks, each measuring 1/8x18. It's a cost-effective and efficient solution for your brazing needs. What we like. This product is incredibly versatile, simplifying your workflow with its 3-in-1 functionality and ease of use. It eliminates the need for additional flux, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient solution for various aluminum welding needs, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This low-temperature aluminum brazing rod is economical, easy to use, and effective if you follow the directions. This actually worked. It melted at the right temperature with a MAP torch. It tried quite a few things and this stuff just adheres to aluminum like nothing else. No flux or prep other than a sand and it will take to cast aluminum. Number 4. Alumaloy Repair Rods. Say goodbye to expensive repairs. Alumaloy makes fixing aluminum, hot metal, and galvanized steel easy and affordable. It's perfect for everything from gutters to boat parts. With Alumaloy, repairing is simple. Just clean the metal, heat it up, and apply the rod. You'll save hundreds of dollars on repairs, and it's all shown in our instructional video. It melts at 728 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to repair thin or thick metals without worry. It even repairs pot metal, one of the toughest metals to fix. These rods create strong, permanent repairs that last a lifetime. With impressive tensile and compression strength, it's a reliable solution for any repair job. Alumaloy is environmentally friendly, made in the USA, and contains no lead, tin, or cadmium. It's a smart choice for your wallet and the planet. Get your Alumaloy repair rods today and experience the ease and effectiveness of this amazing product. It's a must-have for any toolbox. What we like. This product stands out for its user-friendly design and ability to create lasting repairs. The fact that it's made in the USA adds to its appeal. If you value ease of use and durable results, and appreciate supporting American manufacturing, this is the option for you. What people say. This product really does work, which shocked me. It's easy to use, hardens instantly, easy to drill for the most part. Also great for people new to working with aluminum or other types of metal like myself. I tried filling in a hole in an aluminum beer can like they showed on the video and it worked perfectly. Strong and able to easily span the hole I punched into the can. I flowed out some rod and spread it into the joint with an old steel screwdriver. To my amazement the next day when I was putting my tools away, I noticed there was some of the rod material still on the blade. I couldn't scrape it off so tried my wire wheel mounted on one side of my bench grinder. To my surprise it wouldn't take it off. I had to grind it off. I hoped the rod would work on aluminum, but wow, steel too. Number 3. SAER 5356 Aluminum Welding Wire. This is the SAER 5356, a high-quality aluminum welding wire perfect for various applications. It's known for its versatility and excellent corrosion resistance. It offers superior corrosion resistance, especially in saltwater environments, making it ideal for marine and outdoor projects. This ensures long-lasting welds. This versatile wire is compatible with many aluminum base metals, including 5050, 5052, 5083, 5356, 5454, and 5457. It simplifies your welding process. Expect high-quality welds with good ductility and tensile strength. It produces strong, reliable joints. It has a melting range of 1060 degrees Fahrenheit to 1175 degrees Fahrenheit and a density of 0.096 pounds in 3. The post-anodizing color is white. Choose from various spool sizes and quantities. It comes in 0.030, 0.035, and 0.045 inch diameters and is available in 1, 2, 4, and 6-pack spool quantities. Select the option that best suits your needs. With its superior performance and versatility, it's the perfect choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Upgrade your welding projects today. What we like. This option boasts exceptional compatibility with various base metals and superior corrosion resistance, making it ideal for diverse applications. Its high tensile strength ensures durable welds. If you need a versatile and robust solution for your aluminum welding projects, this is the one for you. Number 2. Bernzomatic AL3 Brazing Rods. These rods are perfect for your brazing and welding needs. They're made in the USA and reach temperatures between 700 and 750 degrees. It boasts a Brinell hardness of 100, ensuring a durable and reliable performance. You can count on it for consistent results. With a working temperature of 720 to 750 degrees, it provides the precision you need for various applications. Achieve clean, strong welds every time. Each package contains two 12-inch rods, making it easy to manage and transport. It's lightweight and perfect for any project. These rods are manufactured in the United States, guaranteeing quality and reliability. You're getting a superior product you can trust. These versatile rods are suitable for a wide range of brazing and welding tasks. They are a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. What we like. This product is designed for ease of use and delivers high hardness in your welds. It's made in the USA, offering quality and reliability. If you prioritize ease of application and a high-quality finish, this is the product for you. What people say. Used this to braze some aluminum pieces together. Worked very well, however it does take practice and patience. My TIG skills are not the best, but I can solder, so thought to give this a try. Very satisfied with this product. I found that it does take a lot of heat on the metal to get it going, and like other reviews have said, it's necessary to heat the metal and melt the rod into it. It does help to use a TIG tungsten to direct the puddle, as it does not flow too rapidly, which is actually good as it helps fill holes. Best procedure is to get the parts as hot as you can and use the rod very sparingly. This will give the best flow and get just enough rod around the parts to form a nice bead, which then requires less cleanup. Works really well for what it is. I used this to repair a puncture hole on an older aluminum bicycle frame, and I was initially having issues using a smaller torch. I couldn't get the product to melt on the frame. I picked up a bigger handheld blow torch from Harbor Freight, still using regular green tank propane, and was working within minutes. The sticks are fairly easy to work with, as long as you don't let it run and don't apply heat directly to the stick. I was able to span a hole almost an inch in diameter by using a circular technique, and I built up the product enough to where I was able to grind and sand it smooth afterwards. I was looking for a product to weld two thin-walled aluminium tubes together. I was always a little too heavy-handed with my TIG welder. I have a great deal of experience with plumber's soldering and brazing. Using a plumber's torch, I heated the ollie till the Bernzomatic rods melted with the heat from the ollie. Once you have filled the area with the rod, I found that I could flow the area better by wiping a tungsten MIG electrode through the welded seam. You must keep the weld area hot. It ends up looking like a solder joint. Number 1. Hot Max 24184 Aluminum Flux. Introducing Hot Max 24184, the premium aluminum brazing flux. It's specially formulated for a superior brazing experience. It's perfect for torch brazing aluminum. Use it with 4047, 4043, or 1100 brazing filler alloys for optimal results. This versatile flux isn't limited to torch brazing. It also works great in furnace and automatic flame brazing operations. The formula includes zinc chloride for effective cleaning and improved flow. This ensures a strong, reliable braze. Hot Max 24184 is manufactured right here in the USA, guaranteeing quality and reliability you can trust. Experience the difference with Hot Max 24184. It provides superior brazing results every time. What we like. This flux is specially formulated for aluminum brazing, ensuring optimal results with different alloys. The fact that it's made in the USA guarantees quality and reliability. If you're looking for a high-quality flux for your aluminum brazing projects, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great on soldering. Warm the aluminum brazing rod well and dip, and this flux works just about the same as flux that goes with brass or steel rod. I am pleased with the way it works, and the results, although aluminum varies a lot in its alloys, and flow characteristics vary as well. On some things, the aluminum brazing was easy, and on other things it has been more of a challenge, but either way, this flux does help. This stuff made a huge difference when brazing aluminum with brazing rods. Be sure to thoroughly heat your base metal, use MAP gas rather than propane, and be patient. Brazing with MAP gas isn't easy, but it works for small repairs if you don't have a TIG welder. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.